Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna do a full face using Huda Beauty products. I think I'm gonna start a series here on my YouTube where I will do full face of a brand, maybe Maybelline, L'Oreal, Rare Beauty, any other brand. Do let me know in the comments below what brand you want to see next. But in today's video, I'm gonna do full face using some products from Huda Beauty. I don't have like the full entire makeup range from Huda Beauty. I have few products which are my absolute favorite and I'm gonna talk about them in today's video. So let's get started. I know you guys are waiting for the eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty because why I just love Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palettes and their formula. Love Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette, but I do think sometimes they do repeat colors. I just want some uniqueness from this brand, and I do feel like there are so many palettes, they look very similar, but I just love their formula, and that's why I picked up these two. I have three eyeshadow palettes from Huda Beauty. So I have these three eyeshadow palettes because they are very different from each other and they look absolutely amazing. So the first one is this is Empowered eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, which is a beautiful brown eyeshadow palette with stunning shimmer shades. I just love this palette so much. And another one is the Rose Quartz one, a beautiful cool tone eyeshadow palette. So these two are very unique in my collection and I just love them so much. And the other one that I have is kind of like a smoky palette, I will call this, and it is a mix of warm and cool tone. This is from their like Wild collection that they have, I don't know the name, but this is their Wild Jaguar palette, and it is best to have that like everyday makeup. Still you can get so many different smoky eyes with this particular palette. So this is what it looks like. Contains more neutral colors and stunning shimmer shades. So I'm gonna mix these palette today and I'm gonna create a makeup look because it's very hard to just do one single eye makeup look with just one palette, because I don't know why I want to use three of them in today's video. So let's start with eye makeup look. Okay, so I need a transition color, so I'm gonna take this particular shadow from the Empowered eyeshadow palette, and this is a beautiful color, by the way. I just love this one for my transition colors. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush like this. This is from Miss Claire, and this is the eyeshadow blending brush, which is M14. To make the shadow more intense, I'm gonna take this particular shade with the same brush. I'll again place it all over my eyelid. Easily you can blend these shadows. They are intensely pigmented and very easy to blend. Now it's time to play with the shimmer shades because obviously they are so unique, and especially Huda Beauty, they make some intensely beautiful unique shimmer shades. So let's play with that. I'm gonna take the Wild Jaguar palette and I will take this particular shimmer shade and I'm gonna place it right over here on my outer and on my inner corner. And for that I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty small pencil brush, and this is F04, creating a sharp edge like this and taking it a little bit outward. I am just gonna clean my brush because I want to use some other shimmer shade as well. So I'm going to take the Rose Quartz palette and I will use, of course, this particular shimmer shade. It's a beautiful color. It's called Cosmic Love, which gives you a hint of blue and a pink at the same time. So I'm just going to use it over here, the same place. this is just me playing with some glitters. That's it. It makes me so happy. And now for the last glitter step, I'm gonna use the Empowered palette and I will add some golden sparkles. So I will take Timeless, I guess, this particular yellow shade. I'm gonna mix it with this one as well. Palette is so unique because you get two cream shadows over here. So one is a brown cream shadow, one is a black cream shadow. As I don't have any eyeliner from Huda Beauty, I'm gonna use the black cream shadow as my eyeliner right now. And this black cream shadow is so pigmented. Also it will give you that like jet black finish, and if you want to make it more intense, you can definitely use a little bit of black shadow and make it matte. I'm also going to do my lower lash line, but before that I have to do my base, my concealer and everything. So right now I am going to add some eyelash, and that is also from Huda Beauty. I just love this classic eyelash from Huda Beauty. I just love it so much. I use it all the time. This is number 7 and it looks so beautiful, so I'm gonna use this one today. No, you just can't understand right now how beautiful this eye makeup looks, but after I will do my base and I will complete my makeup, definitely it's gonna look so beautiful. I don't have a liquid foundation, but I do have a stick foundation from Huda Beauty. Purchased this foundation, I was so excited. It was the first Huda Beauty product that I tried, but unfortunately toasted coconut is way too light for my skin, so the foundation is too dark for my skin tone. Make it a little bit more, you know, light, but I have to mix another foundation. This is from Makeup Revolution and this is F14, which is a very dark shade which I use for my contouring, but this is a foundation stick. So as this is too light for my skin, I'm just gonna mix this one a little bit and make the shade right. So I have to cheat a little bit today. Light shade for my skin. You can see how light this is. I mean, it just glides like butter, and I have never used a foundation formula like this, like a stick foundation formula like this. It is so easy to blend. I'm using this one from Makeup Revolution just to match the color a little bit. So this is what the Huda Beauty stick foundation looks like. After so many months I use this product, it still looks so beautiful, so glowy, and I just love how easy this is to blend. If you have this foundation and if you get your correct shade, you're gonna love this product so much. I think I'm gonna buy another one because I just love this formula. Huda Beauty's newly launched concealer, and I have the shade Granola with me. It is my favorite concealer. I use it all the time to do my everyday makeup. I love the finish of this concealer, how it applies, how it looks. This is a full coverage concealer, so you can get a lot of coverage with this, and it is definitely a very mattifying concealer at the same time. But I don't know why after using this concealer it feels like you have a hydrating base. I don't know, for some reason it gives your skin a luminous glow. That is why I really love this concealer. Do yourself a favor, get this concealer from Huda Beauty. You are gonna love it so much. I personally think that it is a full coverage concealer but very lightweight at the same time. I have never used a concealer like this. I know some people say that they don't love this concealer that much, but I'm a person I just really love. If you want me to pick between the foundation and the concealer, I will pick the concealer definitely, because foundation, the formula is good as I already mentioned, but the concealer is something that I wear for my everyday makeup. I don't wear foundation no matter how lightweight it is, but that's the reason why I am going to pick up the concealer. I mean, Huda Beauty is mostly known for their full coverage makeup looks, like 2017, 18, like they have some amazing full coverage products. But if you are not into full coverage products like me, you can definitely try out their glowish range that they have. And that was like a really smart idea to come with another line which is more skin friendly, more natural looking, because all the Huda Beauty's product, they are more like a very full coverage type of a formula they have. So yeah, you can definitely try out glowish product. I have tried only one product from glowish, that is this bronzer right over here. I do have their cream contour, which is this one, which I'm gonna use now. This is in the shade Fair, which is perfect for my skin tone because I want my contour to be a little bit natural. So I will use Fair today. I'm gonna use my LA Girl 105 brush, which is an angled brush like this. This is again a very beautiful like shade, also extremely lightweight at the same time. But if you say Makeup by Mario contour stick, it is not lightweight than that. It is a little bit thicker in consistency, but Makeup by Mario contour stick is more lightweight. So, and the Rare Beauty contour stick is also more lightweight, but this contains a more thicker type of a formula, but easy to blend at the same time. So this is what the cream contour looks like. You can definitely go with the bronzer on top of this, but I just think it will be too much for me. So this is just so perfect. Now I have a beautiful product, and I think you ask me number one favorite Huda Beauty's product, I will say their loose powder. I know every single person love Huda Beauty's loose powder. It is that good. It is so blurring, so smooth, extremely lightweight, and it will keep your makeup last for a really long time. And I have the viral shade Cherry Blossom Cake with me, which by the way I don't think you can get this in India right now, and I'm gonna mention the page from where I purchased it. So this is an under eye brightening powder. They have different shades obviously, but I picked up Cherry Blossom, which is a pink powder to make your under eyes look very bright. And the moment I received this particular powder, I am using it constantly all the time. It is so good, and it is viral for a reason. It comes in a packaging like this. Here I have the powder. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it is literally pink and super brightening. So I'm gonna take a powder puff. I am just going to mix my powder puff with the powder I have. This is what it looks like, and now I am just going to use it under my eyes. Instantly, look at this. Oh my god, you can see my forehead where I have no powder, and look at my skin. It is so blurring. Insanely beautiful powder. I love this so much. My face is looking completely airbrushed right now. Wow, it is like matte, literally matte right now. Now for my under eyes, I am going to use the same eyeliner brush. I'm going to take the same black liner, and I will actually create a wing under my eyes. So yeah, I'm not going to explain too much because I'm very nervous right now how this is going to turn out, but let's see. am just loving the eye makeup look. Wow. I was so scared to do this eyeliner, but it turned out really good. Okay, now it's time for some blush, and I have this blush from Huda Beauty, and this is their cheek tint, and it is in the shade Proud Pink. So it's a beautiful glowy blush that they have. So beautiful. It is a cheek tint, they say, but I will call this like a blush topper because it is so glowing. So you can use it as your blush topper, or you can use it as it is. I really love this particular shade Proud Pink. So beautiful. So I'm just gonna go with my brush and I will use it. This is pigmented, oh my god. I'm just gonna use a clean brush and I'm gonna try to blend this out. This is what the cheek tint looks like. You can see how glowy my skin looks already, and I just love this product. For your no makeup look days, this works the best. It works so beautifully. So yeah, this is the glow that I have. It's good because I don't have a highlighter, so I think I'm gonna go with this one only. My lips, I have this lipstick from Huda Beauty, and this is their classic bullet lipstick that they have in the shade Board Meeting. It is a beautiful nude color, as you guys can see. So perfect for this eye makeup look, because my eye makeup look is because my eye makeup look is so intense. I want a nude color like this. I'm gonna use a random lip liner from LA Girl, and I am just gonna line up my lips. By the way, the lip liner shade is Rosewood. This is from LA Girl. Now I'm gonna go with Board Meeting from Huda Beauty Watercolor. Such a beautiful nude shade. So this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am absolutely in love how this look turned out. My eye makeup look, my base makeup, every single thing in today's video was so good. You guys may ask how every single thing can be good. There should be one or two things that you just don't like, but trust me guys, I do have products and I use products that I genuinely love. I keep products in my collection that I genuinely love, and I purchase products for my collection that I genuinely love. I do my research and then only I purchase a product. You will not see random products like in my collection which are like not good, because obviously I'm buying it with my money. Huda Beauty is not sending me PR, so I just have to think first, twice, I have to research, and then I purchase products for myself. So that's why all the things in today's video I really love, and I used it before. I know how they work, and this is what they look like. Definitely let me know in the comments which is your favorite Huda Beauty products. Definitely don't forget to mention that, because I just love how you guys comment on my videos. I just love how you guys engage with my videos, and also how you all just comment your favorite products at the same time. So definitely let me know what are your thoughts. This is my favorite look. I'm really in love with this one, and I'm planning to do my full face again with some other brand. Give me your suggestions down below. Let's see what we can do next. So yeah guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.